Knowing how to do it is totally different thing from being able to do it. Learning a piano is all about being able to do it. Of course, knowledge is important, but that takes only 1% of the things you have to do. Once you gain the knowledge, all what you need to do is just repeat until you can do it instantly. For example, we do not use every good boy deserves fudge or face for space notes because it is too late. If you count up, oh, that's B. I know how to read. This is not good enough. You just look at it, instantly being able to play is more important. To become to that level, you just have to play and play, stare the note again and again and play. That's where our practice abacus comes in handy. So number 26, you just stare at the music and play those notes. So you have to make the connection looking at this note and play the middle C. You have to try to capture the sound while you play. Try not to look at your hand. And repeat. Try to make the physical connection with the note shape. Pinky plays the middle C and the thumb plays the G. Try to make the connection. Number 28. That's the first time. And I do that again from the top to bottom. Second time. Make sure to do that 3 more times every day. Even if you can already do, you repeat and repeat. And the next exercise is going to become easier and you're going to be a very good reader.